Okay, so now we've just finished making a frequency distribution table for tuition level increases for 50 randomly selected 4-year public institutions. And now what we'd like to do is get a feeling for the distribution. It's kind of hard to see that from a frequency table, although you can kind of see that from the frequency table, most of the highest occurring frequency count is between 11.75 and 21.35% increase in tuition. So now what we're going to do is, to get a better intuition, besides looking at a table, we're going to look at the associated graph called a histogram. So here, to make the histogram, you're going to have all of the class boundaries that we had in the above table on the X or horizontal axis. The vertical axis will be in terms of frequency, and you have to make sure that it's scaled high enough so that it includes at least the largest frequency count. And then notice that each of the bars in the histogram, or rectangles, have the same class width of 9.6%. So if you look at this, again here, the most frequently occurring tuition increase was between 11.75% and 21.35%. And here it looks like 20 institutions fell into that class. The second most frequent class was between 21.35% to 30.95% increase in tuition. Now if I look at the overall shape of this, it does fall into one of the 4 shapes we classified. And if I kind of superimpose a curve here, you can see that this looks like it goes up and it has a tail that's skinnier on the right. So this is going to be a skewed right distribution based on the histogram.